Is resale one bedroom in boutique developments still worth buying? Market talk is that one bedroom in boutique developments don't do well in recent time. And what if private resale is your only option with a limited budget? What can you choose? Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to dive deep into this topic and to see whether is it still a worthwhile purchase for yourself. Recently, I have just helped a client to purchase a 441 square feet, one plus study in a boutique development in the Geylang area for under 700K. When I'm doing my research to see what options are there, Geylang freehold boutique development seems to be the obvious choice amidst the limited choices that he has. From my research, most of the private resale one bedroom island-wide has already crossed the 700K mark. Not to mention that new launches, the one bedroom starts from 1 million onwards. So this boutique one plus study below 700K is actually a very safe entry given its prime location and within walking distance to the nearest MRT station, which is Dakota MRT. Now let's break down to numbers for easy reference. For a 700,000 purchase, 75% bank loan, the monthly installment is about 2,431 per month for 30 years at 3.75 interest rate, which is pretty affordable for aspiring homeowners and investors alike. The street rent over there has already easily crossed 3,000, hence is able to cover the monthly mortgage. Now, how do we navigate and how do we take advantage of the opportunities? There are a few criteria that we will want to take note. Number one, right, that will be buying with an exit option, meaning to say buying something that will appeal to your future buyer. Second, choosing a squarish layout and pay slightly more instead of getting those that is a triangular shape or odd shape layouts for a cheaper price. Choose something that is within 10 to 15 minutes walking distance to MRT, shopping malls, and amenities as it will appeal to your future buyers and tenants. And if choice permits, do choose a freehold developments as it will preserve value over the long run. Also choose developments that are well maintained. Some developments fare better than others in terms of rent and resale pricing is due to their overall maintenance, which is the key as well. And of course, there are a few other factors that are not easily described in this video. If you do wish to find out more, do contact me via my WhatsApp or fill out my Google form in the description box below, and we can have detailed discussion over Zoom or coffee. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.